We also added the RICO document, foreclosure offense, RICO document. Now, the foreclosure defense lawsuit package used to be the mortgage fraud package, except it's beefed up a little more, okay? But the point is, well, we couldn't market it that. I wanted to call it the RICO foreclosure. We have a RICO lawsuit in there. We also have real estate defraud lawsuit in there. You got two lawsuits in this package. You get real legal documents, and you have to save the file clean so that you can use it when you start your legal coaching business, teaching other people how to get this done. Remember, copy and paste them. Save the original clean. Besides, you're suing the damn judge because the judge is getting paid by the state to help them. The state's the one trying to steal your property if you're in this program. The state's the one, and the state's paying the judge. It's not a conflict of interest. So now, and this is something you guys can do even if you're not using my documents. You add the parties to their own action using the counterclaim. You just add them as plaintiffs. Now, if it was a long time ago or they try to say you're out of time, you just add your fraudulent concealment doctrine, this federal document that tolls the statute of limitations. Add the fraudulent concealment doctrine right to the front of the 42 U.S.C. 19. And yeah, if you do a counterclaim, you can change it, put whatever you want on it. $200 million, you counterclaiming for all this stuff that you're going to be filing in federal court for. That's what we do. That's one of the ways that we shut down the court process. It's simple. You just add their own assets to their own shit. Bam! I wonder why attorneys didn't tell you could do that. We had attorneys that, that's just the beginning of their issues that they're going to have. Because we use federal case law in all of the stuff that we prepare. Okay, but here's the problem. The state players cannot respond to federal case law with using statutes and codes. And some people don't really understand this. That alone jams up the state court process. They can't respond to federal case law with statutes and codes. They don't have a federal bar card, so they can't have that. That's a check down. Bam! Okay, so once you get them stopped, then you're ready to head over to federal court and file your lawsuit over there against these fools. But before you do that, you need to make sure that you get a certified copy of the entire state court docket sheet to take with you over to federal court to verify that they're violating your due process. Now, if you get that certified file to take over to federal court with you, now they can't add nothing to cover up their asses because, it's. And then in this package, I also upgraded this, okay? We also added the RICO document, foreclosure offense, RICO document.